Children, in today's class 22, we'll see the chapter 11th areas of the parallelogram and triangle. Areas of parallelogram and triangles. We'll see the exercise 11.3. The first sum is, in the figure, E is any point on the median AD of a triangle ABC. Show that area of ABE. That means area of ABE. This triangle and is equal to this triangle. You have to give the proof. Okay, this triangle, both the triangles are equal. You have to give the proof. Okay. See, in this AD is the median. Median. What is the meaning of median? Median means it will divide the base into two equal parts. That means it will bisect the base into two equal parts. Exact middle, that median will come. Median point will come. The D is coming midpoint of BC. Okay. AD is the median means, this is the median means, AD is the median means, this portion is equal to this portion. This triangle, area of this triangle, ADB triangle is equal to area of ACB triangle. Okay. So this line is median means in this ABC triangle, it's dividing into two parts, that both the parts will be equal. Area, the area, if you compare, both the areas will be equal. Okay. In area ABC is equal to ABC. Okay. Next, in triangle, this triangle will take AEBC. In this triangle, ED is the median. Okay, ED is the median means this portion, area of EBD is equal to area of EDC. Okay, area of EBD is equal to area of EDC. Okay, that first one based on that is the first equation. Second one is the second equation. From the first, if you subtract the second one, what you will get? From first to minus second, we get, okay, area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle EBD. Means this full portion minus this portion. Okay. The same way, this full portion minus this portion. Okay. If you are minusing this portion, you will get area of AEB. Area of AEB is equal to area of ACE. Okay, this only you have to give the proof. The second sum, in the triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of the median AD. So E is the midpoint of AD. That means E is the, see this measurement, and if you are taking this measurement, both are equal. Show that area of triangle BED is equal to 1/4 of area of triangle ABC. Okay. See, BED, this triangle is 1/4 of, that means 1/4 part. 1/4 part of this ABC triangle, you have to give the proof. Now, whatever given, we will write. In a triangle ABC, AD is the median of BC. AD, this one is the median of BC. Then E is the midpoint of AD means DE is equal to, midpoint means this measurement and this measurement will be equal. Totally 6 centimeter means this will be a 3 centimeter, this will be a 3 centimeter. So half of AD is 6 centimeter. Then ED, how much it will come? DE or ED, anything same only. How much is 3 centimeter? That means half of 6 by 2. It will divide, you will get that. That means half of AD. Okay, that's why I wrote ADE is the half of AD. The same way, BD, this base. D is the median means it will divide the base into two equal parts. Isn't it? So this is also total 14 centimeter means this will be 7 centimeter, this will be 7 centimeter. So BD is equal to half part of BC. Okay, now area of triangle BED. This area we will take. Area of triangle BED. This one, this triangle we will take. If you are taking this triangle, you apply the formula. Area of the triangle is what? Half into BH. Half base. B means base. This is the height. Half into BH. That's why I wrote area of triangle BED is equal to half of BD into DE. That means base into height. Height is your DE and base is your BD. That's why BD into DE. And afterwards, already we found out the what is BD and DE. Instead of BD and DE, we have to apply this. If you are applying this, you will get 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 BC into 1 by 2 AD. That 1 by 2 in 1 by 2, how many times it came? 3 times it came, no? So 1 by 8. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. In that, you have to separate the quarter. You have 1 by 4 you should take, and this 1 by 2 you have to keep inside the bracket. 1 by 2 BC into AD. If you are keeping inside triangle, this is equal to area of triangle ABC. Okay, because area of triangle ABC is base into height. No, base is what? BC and height is AD. That's why instead of this BC in AD, we are writing area of triangle ABC. If you are writing if you are writing this one, you will get the answer. Area of triangle BED is equal to quarter. This 1 by 4 will come. Instead of this, I am writing this area triangle ABC. Now the third sum is show that the diagonals of a parallelogram divide into 4 triangles of equal areas. In the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal in the parallelogram. If you are putting the diagonals, 4 triangles you will get. Okay, you have to show that the 4 triangles are equal area. This area is 36 meters square. This is also 36 meters square. Everything will be the equal. You have to show that. First, you should write the solution. ABCD is a parallelogram. Diagonals AC and BD. AC and BD, both the diagonals will bisect each other. Bisect each other means all this measurement will be the equal. Bisect means the line segment will cut the line into 2 equal parts. So this side, this side, this side and this side, if you take the measurement, all the this line segment will be the equal measurement. Okay. One is 7 centimeter means everything will be the 7 centimeter only. Okay. Both the diagonals will cut, no, that you have to give that is the midpoint. If you cut in the midpoint you have to give one name, that is O. Okay. O is the midpoint of AC and BD. Okay. Triangle ADC. That means this triangle. ADC. In triangle ADC, in this triangle, DO. DO is the median of AC. This DO is the median of AC. DO is the median of AC means, see, ADO, area of ADO is equal to area of DOC. These two area will be equal. This is DO is in this ADC triangle. DO is the median means this area and this area will be equal. That we learned in the previous sum. Okay. Okay, like that you have to give the proof for all the now we have to take the BDA triangle. In BDA triangle, AO is the median of BD. Okay, AO is the median of BD. Therefore, area of AOB is equal to area of AOB. Like the same way, in triangle ABC, okay, BO is the median of AC. Therefore, this area of AOB is equal to area of ABCO. Like the same way in triangle, okay, first we have to take this triangle and afterwards this triangle and afterwards this triangle and afterwards this triangle we should do. In triangle BCD, CO is the median means DC, area of DCO is equal to area of BOC. These two area will be equal. From now, if you are doing If you are comparing the four equation, at last what you will get? Triangle AOD. Triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle DOC. Area of triangle COB is equal to area of triangle AOB. That only we have to give the proof. All the areas will be equal. Now the fourth sum is in the given figure. In this given figure, ABC and ABD. ABC and ABD are two triangles on the same base BAB. Okay. This triangle and this triangle have the same base AB. The line segment CD. The line segment CD is bisected AB at O. This line segment CD bisected AB at O. Show that area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ADC is equal, you have to show. Okay, to prove that, first in the figure CD is the bisected by AB at O. That already they have given in the question. That means this two are bisected means OC is equal to OD. In triangle ADC, in this triangle AO is the median for DC. Therefore, area of AOD is equal to area of AOC. Okay. Next, in this triangle DO, in the second triangle BDC. Okay. In this, first we have to prove in this triangle AO is the median. AO is the median means this part, this area of AOD and area of ACO is equal. Okay. Now they take this portion. Okay. CBDC triangle. In this BO is the median. That means this area area of CBO and the area of BDO. This both the areas are equal. That is your second equation. By adding 1 and 2, if you are adding 1 and 2, you will get area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle BOD. AOD and BOD. Okay. Plus you are adding this 2 and you are adding this 2 portion. Area of ACO plus area of COB. Okay. If you are adding this portion, you will get area of ABB. Okay. That only you have to prove that. And area of is equal to area of ACB. Okay. This only you have to give the proof of. Again, so I will tell. First, you have to take this triangle CDB triangle. In that, AO is the median you have to prove, and after this AOD and COA is the equal areas. You have to give the proof. Next, you have to take this portion, and BO is the median. You should BO is the median for that. Therefore, area of OBD and area of OCB, these two areas will be equal. You will give the proof, and afterwards, in this, if you are adding this two portion, you will get area of ABC is equal to area of ABD. The seventh sum, D and E are points on the side of AB and AC respectively. And the triangle ABC is such that area of BDC, then you have to create one triangle. If you put one line here, you will get DBDC one triangle. Area of this one, area of DBC and area is equal to area of EBC. Okay. This area and this area will be equal. They have given that. Prove that DE. So these two are equal means DE is a parallel to BC. You should give the proof. Okay. In triangle in triangle DBC and triangle BEBC. Okay, the base is which one? For this triangle. Okay, for this triangle and for this triangle. So for both the triangle, base are equal. The base are equal means equal. Then both the triangle of area will be equal. Okay, base are equal means, so triangle area of EBC is equal to area of DCB. Okay, that they have already given. Then what you have to prove? DE is parallel to BC. They must be lying between the same parallel lines. Okay, this portion and this portion are equal means DE this line segment will be a parallel to BC. Okay, that is only your proof. Your today's assignment exercise 11.3, 5th and 6th sum and 8th to 16th sum you should do in your homework notebook. Today whatever I taught that you have to copy in the classwork, and this assignment sum do it in your homework notebook. Thank you children.